Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both Android devices for action. Enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan a cable transfer, and sign into the same Google account for backups. Once done, backup app data to Google Drive where supported, because that preserves settings. Next, choose your method: Nearby Share for one-touch wireless, a transfer app like Share It for large APKs, or Cable plus OTG when speed matters. This reduces failures and speeds the next steps. Now you extract the app package and its data. Use an APK extractor app or ADB to pull the APK. You may also need saved files from /data/data or shared storage. Those hold preferences and databases. Once you have the APK and any data, transfer them to the target phone using Nearby Share, Cable, or ADB push. After the APK installs, restore data with the app's backup, restore feature or copy files into the app folder and fix permissions. That preserves. Finish by granting permissions and verifying the app runs. Make sure the APK's signing matches the source. Mismatched signatures prevent restoring app data. If you encounter crashes, clear cache, reinstall from the Play Store, or reapply the correct data files. That often resolves compatibility issues. If problems persist, enable USB debugging and capture Logcat to see errors, then repeat the transfer, ensuring file integrity. Once stable, you've completed the transfer and kept your settings intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.